Um, ang mundo po natin ay puno ng mga bayani. Mayroong bata, matanda, mayaman, mahirap, may lalaki, babae, at anumang kulay, hugis o laki, tayo pong lahat ay magkakaugnay. Kaya tayo po ay pantay-pantay. Kaya lalo na po sa araw na ito. Kaya binabati ko po kayo ng isang magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. Nakakakaba pala to. Actually po, nakakataba po ng puso yung lahat po ng pagsuporta na binibigay po ninyo sa Dynamic Teen Company. Lalo na po sa mga batang tinutulungan po namin, yung mga bata po na nandun sa gilid, yung kanina pong sumayaw dito. At yung mga volunteers po, ayan, hello! Volunteers po ng Dynamic Teen Company, yung mga wala pong kapaguran na mga nagtutulak ng kariton. Talagang sila po yung mga tao na nire-represent ko po. And actually, meron po nag-advise sa akin. Isa pong bata na ka-Facebook ko po. Friend kami sa Facebook. Sabi niya po sa akin, Tito Efren, if you win, thank God. If you don't, thank God. And don't forget to thank those people who said good things to you. And always say, all glory is to God. Simple lang po at malinaw. The point is to thank God for whatever will happen. To always have positive perspective towards life circumstances. To thank people around you who have inspired you equally with what they do for you and for others. And to give all glory to God. It's all about Him anyway. It's not all about Kuya F or anybody else. So today, I thank God for people like you. Sa mga tao pong naniwala sa akin, sa amin, ang Club 8586 Incorporated, na hindi po nila tinignan ang aming edad para makapagbigay po kami ng ambag sa lipunan. Kahit mga bata pa po kami, kahit mga high school students pa lang po kami noon. At patuloy po silang naniniwala sa mga kabataang kasama ko po na nagli-lead sa Dynamic Teen Company. Salamat po sa mga taong sumusuporta sa aming cause. It is because of people like you why we are more driven and determined to continue and affirm that what we do is right. To teach and encourage children to love and embrace learning, for it will embrace and love them back. Turo po yan ng aming mentor. Kaya I'm really inspired with the tremendous support na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Kaya gusto ko po lang sabihin sa inyo that your presence today is a support not just for Kuya F, but a support for these determined children to learn, and a support for the dedicated volunteers who are behind this work. They are the real heroes. So once again, I really appreciate your time and efforts to come here and spend with us. And it is an honor and a great privilege to represent these children, tireless volunteers, and all selfless Filipinos who do simple acts of kindness without asking in return. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat.